Nagpapapa na ako, tita. Ang bilis. Sarap. Cake.
Ayaw? Wala sabon kumain? Busog kasi na.
Ang cake. Sarap ng cake ng baby.
Baby, namin na yan. Charap, charap, charap ng cake. Charap, charap, charap.
Another day, another fight with my frizzy hair. Then my stylist recommended Tresemme Keratin Smooth. Controls frizz for up to 48 hours. Now I'm in control.
Tresemme, salon gorgeous hair every day.
Baby, ay, higa. Upo lang, baby, upo. Ano yung cake mo? Tita, yung cake ko, tita. Tita, yung cake ko po. Yan.
Happy
ayan.
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Ayaw kumain.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to me, birthday. Happy birthday to me.
Jeriel. Happy birthday to Jeriel, Jeriel. Happy birthday, Jeriel, baby. Totoo sagot ko, 2 minutes agad. Meron pa naman kay Daddy. Meron pa naman kay Tita Yoli.
Ha? Nahulog.
Ang ngam, 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 ngam.
Masarap? Masarap. Masarap. Ha?
Nakakagigil yung tawa mo, bebe.
Alright.
Chocolate, roses, at teddy bear. Yan ang paboritong sorpresa ng Lord. Mas masarap ang mga paborito. Pinagsama.
Be,